This is terrible. Why can't I get that stupid picture from here over to here? It's ridiculous. It's supposed to be all the same Apple stuff. I don't know. What is it about this technology? Hi, Madge. You look upset. What's wrong? Maybe you can help. All of this stuff, the cell phone, the iPad, none of it works together like it's supposed to do. What's going on? I don't understand, and I just can't learn technology. I'm too old for it. Do you think you can't learn about technology? Hi, I'm Alicia. I'm a sociologist by training and a tech enthusiast for fun. I'm here to debunk that myth. Stereotypes suggest we're too old to learn new things. Over time, we might even start believing them. But let me tell you, age does not define our ability to learn. Sure, you know what ageism is. Perhaps you even experienced it when you were let go or passed over for a job you were qualified for. But the very worst type of ageism is internalized ageism, where you start believing that claims about what you can and can't do. This internalized ageism can hold us back in ways that are much more serious than when someone tells us we're too old. Look at Grandma Moses. She started painting at 78 and became famous. Frank McCourt began writing at 65 and won a Pulitzer Prize. Jane Fonda and Morgan Freeman and many others are still active on social media well into their senior years. Are you retired like me? If so, you have no excuse for being held back other than yourself. You aren't answering to a boss, so let your mind run free. You have decades of experiences. When you learn something new, your brain connects to a lifetime of knowledge. When you think of technology, are you forgetting all of the technology developments you've lived through during your life? The majority of young people today don't understand rotary phones and old televisions that had to be adjusted with the rabbit ears just to pick up the local TV. Just think of all of the appliances and gadgets that you've used throughout your life. So how can you boost your tech skills? You've taken an important first step by watching this video. The awcrap channel exists for the purpose of helping you understand tech and stay safe online. If you have a question, add a comment to this video down below in the comments section. Some questions can be answered right away in the comments. If not, I'll direct you to an answer, or I may even make a video about it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tech tips. And sign up for our email list. There's a link below in the description. Hey, I got it working. I guess I can still learn about tech. Age is just a number. You can learn, grow, and stay safe online. My personal credo is, the day I stop learning is the day I start dying. Feel free to borrow that if you want. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share this with your friends. We need to have more people come here and see these videos to get past their fears and to stay safe online. Thank you. Stay curious and keep learning. Here's an important video for you about how to make your Facebook account much more secure. A good place to start on your learning journey. Just click this video right here. Now, go ahead. Yeah, just click that one. The box there, click that box and it'll take you to that video.